Alright guys, what's up? As you guys can see, we are back to my car again. So right here, this is the B pillar. I have this carbon fiber vinyl on it, you can kind of see. And today we're going to be changing this out for some of the OEM cars came with this, but it looks more like real carbon fiber, but it's still kind of like a vinyl too. It just sticks on. But as you guys can see, there's a big difference between it. This is shiny and looks more real than the old vinyl, and it'll go with the hood a lot better. The weave's a little bit bigger, but it's pretty close. But anyway guys, let's go ahead and get to the install now. Okay, so to start with, we're going to go ahead and use a heat gun and heat up the vinyl a little bit. It should make it come off a little easier. So I'm going to go ahead and start that now. Okay guys, so now while it's hot, I'm going to go ahead and start picking at this corner. And it should come off just like this. See, me warming it up made it a lot easier to come off. So now we'll take some alcohol and get all the old adhesive off of this. Okay, so now we've got our rubbing alcohol and an old towel. We're going to go ahead and wipe this down really good. Okay, so now we've got our carbon fiber piece, and we're going to go ahead. I've actually warmed it up a little bit to make it flimsier. We're going to start at the top and work our way down because it's actually a little bit short at the bottom. And if you start up here, you can kind of pull on it down and make it fit perfect. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Okay. You want me to take it all the way down?
No. Absolutely.
Take it halfway down like that.
Yeah.
Got a little bubble on the stuff.
This love has taken its toll.
Okay, so there's one side done. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the passenger side. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take the heat gun and make sure all the alcohol is dry and go ahead and warm this up a little bit because it's cold outside here and it needs to be a good warm surface to stick this onto. And one thing I was going to tell you guys, another good reason to put these on is, as you can see, mine is messed up really bad right here from the previous owner. And down here too, there's a scuff. And you guys can cover that up with these basically decals or carbon fiber pieces. And it'll fix all that to where you won't see it anymore. So that's one way to make your car look nicer if something like this is messed up.
Here, let's go back.
Okay, so now we got the passenger side complete. So there's what it looks like.
But I ain't joking around, I'm trying to give you all hope that you can do it if you want it, man, you drive your own road. Yeah, a notebook full of raps by the end of every class. That's my formula for life, not the formula to last. Like
Alright guys, I hope this install helped you with the new carbon fiber B-pillars. Just the biggest thing that I would say to do is it's a really easy install. But just make sure that we took a lot of time just making sure that you keep it lined up going straight down on this corner or on the back corner, either one. You just don't want to get crooked near the end. And also make sure that you're kind of heating it as you go so you can kind of pull it a little bit, because sometimes when they get cold they'll shrink up a little bit, and you can always pull them back down to where they'll meet this gasket at the bottom. But other than that, and just make sure you get your surface really good and clean. But other than that, it's a really easy install. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you hadn't yet, like the video below, and please subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell so that way you get notified when I come out with new videos. And also in the bio below, there is or in the info below, there will be my Instagram. Go ahead and follow that there. I'll keep you more up to date on Instagram. I post like daily on there, other than like once or twice a week on YouTube. So that should help you guys keep up with stuff. And when the outro starts, there'll be some more videos pop up in the corner. Just hit the icon and you can look through some more videos. But anyway guys, I'll see you next time.
Yo, I ain't here for the money,